But John, you promised me the job. I don't understand. How would you give it to her? You said if I sleep with you, the position is as good as mine.
Sarah, excuse, but she's better than you in bed. So, obviously, the position is better for her.
So you're telling me that she's a better candidate? A better candidate? After everything that I have done, and you're telling me that she's better?
Sarah, what did you think? Were you just going to open your legs and everything just coincide? This is real world, sweetheart. This is real world. So, if you don't like it, next time, close your legs. You little stupid.
I will show you, stupid girl.
These breakout groups prioritize people of color, folks, because this is real, it's disproportionate, and it's time to bring it.
All of those costs are being dumped onto us as a society and not being paid by people who are polluting.
These big, massive polluters get to dump megatons of carbon in the atmosphere.
We can play forever and ever and ever.
Then we get that to 6 degrees.